right now we have to get in over here. There's a slit open right here that I can just close by pulling it and draping it across. We'll do that for now. It's just temporary. We had to get the bird netting up to keep the chickens out and the other birds from eating the seeds before we plant. We have everything laid out the way we want to plant it. We're putting the tall plants over here against the wall so it doesn't block the sun. All the peas and beans right here on the left side. We got cucumbers, zucchini, cantaloupe, all the melons on this side. Then we have all the lettuce in the other grow bed, and then on the far end we have all the root vegetables, the onions, and we also have a couple herbs over here to the left. So that's it. We're going to plant here probably in an hour when it cools down. It's over 100 degrees right now. And then we'll put the sprinklers on, water it for the first time, and we're ready to go.